Hi, I'm Erica Metzger. I'm the beauty director at Better Homes and Gardens, and I'm really excited to tell you about our Life in Color Beauty Awards. We found the top products of the year that are going to instantly upgrade your beauty routine. And here are some of my favorite picks. I love this moisturizer from L'Oreal Paris. It's from their Age Perfect line, and it's an all-over honey balm. It has Manuka honey in it, which is so moisturizing and amazing for dry skin. And the nice thing about this moisturizer is you can use it all over your body. So it's multi-purpose. It works on your face, it works on your hands, feet, dry elbows, all of it. And it smells incredible. It just like kind of melts into your skin. And I love that I can carry it in my purse. It's nice and travel size. So this one is a winner. It really does smell good though. I really love this exfoliating powder from Mary Kay. It's their new Naturally line. It has natural derived ingredients. And if you're wondering what is an exfoliating powder, I'll tell you. It's basically like a face scrub that you can customize. So if you like to wash your face with a face oil, you could sprinkle this powder into it and you can turn your face oil cleanser into a face scrub, or you can just add water to activate it and just do a manual scrub that way. You can also do it with your regular cleanser. So it's really cool, it's customizable, and it's also travel friendly because it's not a liquid. I love this hand cream from Love Beauty and Planet. The formula is amazing. It's a natural formula, and the scents in this line come from ethically sourced oils and extracts. You know, in the winter and fall, you really need that when your hands start getting dry and chapped. It's really good for your cuticles. This one is just really awesome. Everybody needs a good night cream in their routine, and this one from Olay, Regenerist, is amazing. It's the retinol 24 and it's fragrance free. It contains retinol, which is a gold star skincare ingredient. It's good for fine lines. It helps with enlarged pores or if you have textural issues. And what's great about this formula, it's super moisturizing. Put it on your nightstand, use it every night. I'm obsessed with the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. It looks like a lot, it's kind of overwhelming, but it is so practical. It has 12 amazing shades. They're all neutrals, but there's like variations. So you've got some mattes, you've got some shimmers, so you're covered from day to night. And also some of these shades can sub in for other things. The brown could be a brow powder. It can also be your eyeliner. We've also got like 2 pans that are a little wider than the others that have more product. Those are the ones you're probably gonna use the most. So everything about it is really smart. It's so functional, and you're probably gonna use it every single day. So my Desert Island Beauty product has to be concealer. I really need it because otherwise I have dark circles and I look tired and people say, are you sick? It's not a good thing. I love this new formula from CoverGirl. It's the True Blend Undercover. It comes in 30 shades. The formula has a ton of pigment in it, which means it's gonna actually cover. And what's special about it is the applicator. This is called a doe foot wand, and it makes it really easy to apply the product and to blend it. And it's also a feature you normally see with more premium formulas, and this is a drugstore formula. So I really love how high-end this makes me feel when I'm using it. Those are just a few of our award-winning beauty picks, and most of them you can find at the drugstore. For the full list, check out the October issue of Better Homes and Gardens. And thanks for watching.